Good morning students, welcome to Shivaji Group of Institutions online classes. Students, this is a maths class and we are doing chapter 6 and the chapter name is multiplication. Students, in our previous class we finished exercise 6E. So today we will start our next exercise based on word problems. Okay. So exercise 6F. Students, take out your book and open page number 81. Exercise 6F. The questions are based on word problems. Question number 1. Students must read the questions carefully. Okay. The cost of a pack of ghee is 3,308 rupees. Find the cost of 97 such packs. Read the question again. Find the cost of a pack of ghee is rupees 308. Find the cost of 97 such packs. Cost of one pack of ghee is equal to 308 rupees. Cost of one pack of ghee is equal to 308 rupees. Then we have to find cost of 97 packs of ghee. Cost of 97 packs of ghee is equal to 308 multiplied by 97. Okay, the cost of 97 such packs of ghee is equal to 308 multiplied by 97 and find the answer. Okay, students, multiply and find the answer. Next, question number 2. There are 622 pages in a notebook. How many pages are there in 65 notebooks? Same question. Pages in one notebook is equal to pages in one notebook is equal to 622. So pages in 65 such notebooks is equal to 622 multiplied by 65. 622 multiplied by 65 and find the answer. Okay. Next, a rack can hold 1850 books. How many books can be kept in 46 such racks? A rack can hold 1850 books. How many books can be kept in 46 such racks? Okay. One rack hold 1850 books. 1850 books. Then 46 racks hold is equal to 1850 multiplied by 46. Multiply it and find the answer. Okay. Question number 4. A transfer cost rupees 1642. Find the cost of 95 such transactions. Question number 6. Question number 5 is same as question number 4. Question number 4 is same as question number 3. Okay. So next question. A farmer produced 735 quintals of rice. He sold it at the rate of 1,525 rupees per quintal. How much money did he get? Question number 5 is same as question number 4. Next, a computer operator can compose 8,314 words per minute. 8,314 words in a day. How many words will he compose in 4 months. Okay, look, a computer operator can compose 8,314 words in a day. Okay, friends, compose words in 1 day is equal to 8,314. Compose word in a day is equal to 8,314. How many words will he compose in 4 months? Students, as you know, 4 months is equal to how many days? One month is equal to 30 days. So 4 months is equal to 4 multiplied by 30 is equal to 120 days. 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 4 months is equal to 4 multiplied by 30 is equal to 120 days. So compose words in 120 days is equal to 8,340 multiplied by 120. Okay, multiply and find the answer. 8,314 multiplied by 120. 120. 4 months. 1 month is equal to 30 days. So 4 months is equal to 4 multiplied by 30 is equal to 120 days. Okay. Next, question number 7. The cost of a doll is 314 rupees. What is the cost of 680 such dolls? So 314 multiplied by 680. 314 multiplied by 680. Okay. Question number 9. A candle factory produces 814 candles in a day. How many candles will this factory produce in 1 year? Okay. Look, a candle factory produces 814 candles in a day. Production of candle in 1 day is equal to 814 candles. 814 candles. Okay. So how many candles will this factory produce in 1 year? We have to find the production in 1 year and given in days. So first we change year into days. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Okay. So the production in 365 days is equal to 814 multiplied by 365. Multiply it and then got the answer. Okay. Question number 10. The capacity of a water tank is 7,325 liters. In a city, there are 125 tanks. What is the storage capacity of the city? Same question. So we multiply 7,325 by 125. Okay. Next, question number 12. The weight of a toy is 736 gram. What is the weight of 250 such toys? But especially he asks, give your answer in kilogram. Give your answer in kilogram. So weight is given in grams. So first we have to change gram into kilogram. Okay. The weight of our toy is equal to 736 grams. And when we change gram into kilogram, so we divide the number by 1000. 736 divided by 1000 is equal to 0.736 gram. 0.736 gram. So next, what is the weight of 250 such 12? Weight of 250 12 is equal to 0.736 multiplied by, sorry, this unit is kilogram. 0.736 multiplied by 250. Multiply it and find the answer, and the answer is in kilogram. Okay. Students, your exercise 6F is finished, and next exercise will start our next term. Okay. So it's enough for today, and write down your homework. Do exercise 6F. Do exercise 6F. Today's homework is do exercise 6F. Okay. Thank you.